Hello friends, today we're gonna talk about latest research about life existence on Venus. The prediction about life on Venus has been given records again in 1967, about more than 50 years ago. Even he predicted it 2 years before the humans even landed on the moon. Sagan actually got his start studying our closest two planets. He became an astronomer after being inspired as a kid by Edgar Rice Burroughs' space fantasies set on Mars and Venus. In March 1961, Sagan, in a paper published in Nature called The Planet Venus, explained his work. The summary of his work is as: if small amounts of mineral are stirred up to the clouds from the surface, it is by no means difficult to imagine an indigenous biology in the clouds of Venus. And few days ago, scientists revealed that they have detected colorless, odorless gas phosphine in the harshly acidic clouds of Venus. This discovery is an indicator that colonies of living microbes could be thriving in the oxygen-free environment of Earth in hospitable neighbor Venus. The researchers didn't discover actual life forms, but noted that on Earth, phosphine is produced by bacteria thriving in oxygen-starved environments. The international scientific team first spotted the phosphine using the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope in Hawaii, and confirmed it using the Atacama Large Millimeter or Sub-Millimeter Array Radio Telescope in Chile. Venus is Earth's closest planetary neighbor, similar in structure but slightly smaller than Earth. It is second planet from the Sun, and the Earth is third one. Venus is wrapped in a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps in heat. Surface temperature is about 880 degrees Fahrenheit. You can say that 471 degrees Celsius. And this temperature is hot enough to melt lead. Now let's talk about phosphine production on Earth and how it differs from the Venus. On Earth, microorganisms in anaerobic environments produce phosphine. These include sewage plants, swamps, rice fields, marshlands, lake sediments, and the excrements and intestinal tracts of many animals. Phosphine also arises non-biologically in certain industrial settings. To produce phosphine, Earth's bacteria takes up phosphate from minerals or biological material and add hydrogen. Venus should be hostile to phosphine. Its surface and atmosphere are rich in oxygen compounds that would rapidly react with and destroy phosphine. Study co-author Anita Richards, as astrophysicist associated with the University of Manchester in England, said that something must be creating the phosphine on Venus as fast as it is being destroyed. So the conclusion of this whole discussion is that the only thing confirmed so far are the traces of life and no actual aliens. Science.